大家好，我是阿勇，
大家好，我是爆米香的阿华。
欢迎收看英台 Express。
Your one-stop shop for Taiwanese and English language exchange.
逐礼拜我会拣一条英语新闻，予阿华翻译。
And I'll pick a Taiwanese news article for Ayong to translate into English.
今仔日除了美国选举以外，你敢知影上大条是啥物新闻呢？
咁你过生日？
无我讲英语简单解说一寡科技的物件，大家我较袂晓讲吼。So the U.S. has a very long history of tech companies getting really big and powerful, and then the government comes in and they try to break them up once they get too strong. So that happened in 1969 with IBM, and then it happened again in 1998 with Microsoft, and now it's happening again with the world's biggest tech company. 其實就是你可能即馬咧看即個影片的平台吼，因為 YouTube 嘛是因的。
就 Google 嘛。
對。好，咱來看一條新聞。The U.S. case against Google mimics lawsuit that weakened Microsoft.
美國告 Google，甲早前互微軟消風的迄陣官司有成。
The suit is about payments Google makes to ensure its search engine is the default on phones and browsers.
即陣是 Google 提錢，叫人做手機甲 browser 攏愛用因兜的超脆引擎，用做免交代的迄個。
Google spends billions of dollars a year on these deals.
即款錢 Google 逐檔開幾就10億美金。
The Department of Justice alleges that this blocks competitors and limits consumer choice.
司法部講，安尼會擋着競爭者，嘛會限制着消費者的選擇。
But Google was quick to defend itself.
Google 家己骹手真猛烈。
In a blog post, they said,
因寫一篇 blog 講。
The search agreements were similar to when a cereal brand pays a grocery store to appear on a prominent shelf.
因講即款約束，甲賣五穀片的廠商提錢叫柑仔店，甲因囥佇較顯目的架仔，差不多意思。
But an antitrust lawyer said that's not quite right.
一個反毒佔的律師講無影啦。
It's not just that Google has a better shelf and its competitor is on the next shelf.
毋是 Google 囥較好迄排架仔，因競爭者囥後壁排。
It's that Google has all the shelves and its competitor is in a different store in a bad neighborhood 400 miles away.
是逐排攏 Google 佔去，因的競爭者佇600公里外較散的另外一個莊頭迄間店。大家拄則聽到我講消風較接聽到消風，譬如講你拍籃球消風去，還是你的鏈仔賽車迄個鏈仔消風去。我是用你這當做一個較口語化的翻譯來對應英語所講的 weaken。你若是想要甲 weaken 講一個較文言的，你就講弱化。
弱化 ，OK，弱化，所以消風其實是 deflate。
對 deflate。
弱化是較文言的 weaken 安尼。
無毋對。
好，你講迄個 default，你講啥？
免交代的。
免交代。那就有這個意思，無毋對。
即個我想足久的，我差不多直接想1點鐘講即個英語 default 到底台語安怎講參考日本人的翻譯，日本人講叫做既定。
既定，
既就是既然迄個既。
既定，那就嘛是會使啦。即個 default 關在意思，你敢聽有敢知影？
我知影若像是講你借錢無害的意思對吧？
借錢無害即個這是即個 fault 嘛，即個 error，因為你無法度還錢。即個 default 其實是錯誤，即個錯誤就是你無動手，你就是徛佇遐，你無愛還錢安尼。
所以，啥物都無做，就叫做 default。另外，佫舉一個例好譬如講，咱公司逐工中晝攏愛同齊食飯開會， 你若特别想要食鸡、食鱼，你就特别去甲秘书交代，伊就甲你订迄项。啊，你若无交代，拢大家就共款拢食排骨便当。啊，即个排骨便当就是免交代的。
哦，免交代都排骨便当是 default 便当安尼。
对，就是即个物件就是 default。所以日本人翻译讲号做既定，就是既然已经决定的迄个啊。华语的翻译号做意识，毋过我感觉意识用伫遮实在怪怪。我感觉意识即个词应该要留互 preset。
哦 ，preset 嘿，意识、有识嘿。
嘿，我嘛另外有朋友提供的翻译，因感觉甲伊翻译译做教员，还是内定安尼讲法。
哦，嘿，教员嘛差不多吼，拢真我的意思。
就是教员本安尼咧做的。内定就是大家知影啦吼。观众朋友你家己选择，你感觉倒一款讲法较水气？我是感觉免交代的。
嘿，免交代。
嘿，即个真口语化，大家应该嘛听有。大家拄则听到讲 Google was quick to defend itself， 即个 defend， 大家可能真直觉的想要甲伊翻译做保护，还是防御。毋过我感觉这听起来拢伤文言，我就伫字典内底抄着一个字，叫做嘿，实在讲即字我嘛无啥熟悉，毋过看起来真好用。我念几个例句，互大家听。比如讲，即摆有一只蜂要来甲我订，阿母我伫群里，蜂就订我袂着。
哦，我伫群里安尼。
又个譬如讲，下骹迄丛花，互树啊着，无照日前死去，就那种是动起来、炸起来即个意思。搁伫家庭内底定定用着的意思是啥？讲囡仔愈好款啦。即个好款其实是歹款的意思，就是叫你毋通生囡仔。又个譬如讲，即个囡仔做毋着啥物代志。大人要甲拍，要甲讲，阿母就甲伊骂讲啥，叫是恁阿嬷你，我都毋敢甲你拍，差不多就是安尼样。互观众朋友参考一个真古早味台语开的字，大家甲捡起来用。
browser， 你直接讲 browser 嘿。
嘿，我就直接讲 browser， 因为大家拢知影华语甲迄个物件叫做浏览器。
嘿，浏览器。
浏览器，嘿，浏览器，我感觉大家应该听无啥有。我去找。发觉到讲，日本、韩国因根本无甲即个词翻译。日本人甲韩国人拢是照念 browser。
我咧考虑若是教业意思，browse 其实就是读册吼，就是看册的意思。
显嘞。
嘿，显嘞。所以这要安怎讲？譬如讲，网络读啊，网络
摕来互你。读即个网络观顶即摆咧写啥物件，叫做读安尼。即个道理是讲会通啦，就是看大家感觉安尼听起来有顺无？道理是有对啦。还是讲网络閲览的物件，叫做网络閲览啊。
閲览啊，嘛是会使啦，閲览啊。
blog 我嘛无甲伊翻译，但是大家听 blog 应该听甲足惯势啊。毋过迄个 serial 我是特别讲五国片，我感觉是一个有台语开的名词，摕来用应该是会用哩。拄则咱听到讲，迄是美国迄边，若是政府无出手，迄个大间公司可能会做出一寡较毋对的代志。若伫台湾这边，政府罔无管，业者会做出啥物款的代志咧？咱来听即条台北公车的新闻。顶个月三重客运冲往人行道，造成一死一伤的意外。
Last month, a Sancheong transit bus ran onto the sidewalk.Killing one and injuring another.
可能是疲劳驾驶驶甲拄久所致。
This accident might have been caused by fatigue and drowsy driving.
台北市府针对12間業者來勞檢。
The Daibak city government inspected the 12 transit companies.
竟然發現12間攏總違法。
And found that all 12 had run afoul of the law.
規定是今仔日下班到明仔載上班。
Under the law, between leaving work today and beginning the next day's shift,
上無愛讓11點鐘互人休困。
There must be at least 11 hours of rest.
毋過有司機下班就特別返點嘛。過轉工6點40佫開始駛。
But in one case, a driver who left close to midnight started driving at 6 o'clock the next day.
算咧，通勤時間扣掉，恐驚困無5點鐘。
If you run the numbers, including commute time, they had frighteningly little sleep, not even 5 hours.
规定是逐工上班上无爱有一摆连续30分钟的休困。
The law also requires that during the workday, there must be at least one continuous 30-minute break.
毋过有司机一工驶11点钟，敢若休着2摆7分鐘甲9分鐘的。
But one driver during an 11-hour shift took only 2 breaks of 7 and 9 minutes long.
12間業者無一間合格，攏總共罰948萬，講是破紀錄。
Not one of the 12 companies passed inspection, and they were fined a combined total of 9.5 million NT, setting a new record.
困無5點鐘的穩將駛的公車，你敢敢坐？
這一定我即馬聊唔敢坐台北的巴士。
我感覺應該唔是敢若台北爾，因為全台灣攏差無偌濟啦。If you enjoyed watching this episode of Indie Express,
愛會記得二讚、訂閱，還有分享哦。And if you have any suggestions for news that you would like to see us translate,
毋免細字，做你佇下骹留話甲阮講。
再會。
See you next time.